Biomedical Mechanical Engineering, Faculty of Engineering at the University of Ottawa.
Hello, my name is Marianne Fenech. I'm the Director of the Biomedical Mechanical Engineering program here at the University of Ottawa at the Faculty of Engineering. Today I'm in the undergrad design laboratory from our mechanical department, where hopefully you will have your first class winter 2021. So today I will give you a quick overview of our biomedical mechanical program, and after I will let other person of the faculty give you a more general tour of everything that is available to you.
First, let me introduce you to the department team. The chair of the department is Nathalie Badou. In the middle, it's myself, director of the Biomedical Mechanical Engineering program, and my colleague, that it's Eric Lantain, that is the director of Mechanical Engineering program. Our program structure is very unique because it's based on mechanical engineering, so it's biomedical for medical engineering. So we do share half or 2/3 of the courses with the mechanical engineering program, and all our biomedical engineering program are mechanical oriented. So in the first year, you are going to do very general courses like maths, physics, chemistry, but also anatomy. And in winter, you will have some introduction to mechanical engineering with some specific lab for the biomedical student. In second year, it's more general engineering, and you will start mechanics, thermodynamics, more specifically course in mechanics, so design, material, and some first course like biomaterial for the biomedical engineering. In third year, you will do much more of biomedical oriented course, and for example, you have system dynamic and biosystem dynamics. So you have one course you share with mechanical engineering and one course it's specifically oriented for biomedical. Same thing for fluids. So fluids one is with medical engineering student, and the second course, so the advanced fluid, that it's called fluid 2 for mechanical engineer, it's biofluid for you, and so it's more oriented to the design, to the fluids applied to biomedical. And you will also have machine design and biomechanics, for example. In fourth year, this is the year of big project. So you have the big project specifically for biomedical that it's gone for 2 courses. And you will also have laboratories, full course of lab that you will review and apply everything you did during your fourth year. You can choose one technical elective, and also you have very specific course of design for biomedical students, so like design of prosthetic or design of artificial organs. So this semester will be online, so be sure you attend your virtual classes and participate during the class, but also after the class. So during this class you can talk, you can chat, and after the class you can always email your professor and your TA to ask for clarification and to ask for help. Complete your reading and your assignment. So it will be good if you have your own schedule, or you know where you have to attend the class, but also you book time to complete your reading and to complete your assignment during the week. And more important, like, be curious during the semester. So our program, it's organized to prerequisites and co-requisites. So it means that all our courses are linked together. For example, if you want to register to biofluid mechanics class, you need to pass fluid 1 first. And this is like a puzzle. So don't try to do your sequence yourself. Follow the sequence that's provided by the faculty. If for any reason you go off sequence because you are sick or you just like fail a course, really go to the undergrad office, ask for an academic advisor to help you to build your own sequence to go back on track, because it could be very complicated to navigate to all these prerequisites and co-requisites. So you may know that the title of engineer is protected by law. So it means not everyone can call itself engineer in Canada. So it's for that our program is accredited by Engineer Canada. So what it means that we have to follow very strict rules, like how many hours of design you have in the program, how many labs, how many time you spend with the professor, and then we are controlled by the Canadian Engineering Accreditation Board, and they give us an accreditation that we have to renew every 6 years. And because we are accredited, when you are going to graduate from our program, the Biomedical Mechanical Engineering program here at the faculty, you will have the right to become a professional engineer. So now I will give you a quick lab tour. So I know you are not on campus for this semester, but I will give you a virtual lab tour of the different labs we have in the department. And before that, maybe you are asking yourself, but how are we going to do the lab when we are online? So it's possible, there are different possible scenarios, some depending of the lab, depending on the teacher. So some experiment will be filmed and sent to you for analysis. Other experiments will be conducted with a virtual reality software. I hear that some profs are already preparing kits that can send you home and you can do at home, or propose you to do like some very simple experiments in your kitchen. For example, in fluid mechanics, you can do very simple experiments and take some basic measurements at home. Another possibility is you will be connected with the lab computer remotely to do the experiment, or you can be on live streaming with the TA that it's doing the experiment for you in the lab. So it's depending of the experiment itself, the course, and the prof. But for sure you will have like some lab components.
Let's go for a lab tour. We are here in the biofluid lab. You can see some classic equipment of biophysics lab, like centrifuge or a microscope. We use this laboratory for biofluid mechanics, but also in artificial organ class. And here we have a little room for cell culture. So in fourth year, if you choose a technical elective with cell culture lab, you will be in this room. And here I'm in the dynamic and control lab. Here we are in the get analysis lab. So you can see all around the room we have camera, and in the center we have a force plate. The student on fourth year use this room to analyze body movement, in particular in the class of design of prosthesis. And for the last laboratory of the tour, here is our biggest laboratory, fluid mechanics and thermodynamic lab. So you will come here in second, third year, and fourth year a lot. So you can see different experiments of fluid mechanics. There are another row after, and here you can see our mini wind tunnel, for example, and other fluid experiments. And to end this tour, I'm now in the lobby in front of the mechanical engineering department. So I wish you all the best for your study here with us in the mechanical department at the University of Ottawa, and hope to see you soon on the campus. Welcome aboard.
Some of our alumni who graduated from Biomedical Mechanical Engineering would like to welcome you in the family and give you some tips for your study with us.
Hi, my name is Nico Liao. I graduated from the MGB program at UOttawa in 2013 and completed my master's in 2018. Now I am working as an associate systems designer at Zimmer Biomed. What I like most about my job is applying what I learned during my studies to help design medical device systems. My piece of advice for success in your studies in the MGB program is to take charge of your education and to use all of the resources available. Welcome to UOttawa, have fun, and best wishes to you all.
Hi, my name is Eleanor Gerson. I graduated from the Biomedical Mechanical Engineering program in 2015. My piece of advice to succeed in your studies is to stay curious and always ask questions, especially if you don't understand something. I'm now an associate engineer at Abbott Point of Care, where we design and manufacture blood diagnostic devices. And the most exciting part of my job is being able to come up with creative solutions in order to solve manufacturing problems and make sure that a quality product gets to the consumer.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Béatrice et j'ai gradué du programme de génie mécanique biomédical de l'Université d'Ottawa en 2015. Et ce que j'ai le plus aimé du programme, c'est le fait qu'il est axé sur le design, mais avec une touche humaine. Et présentement, je suis résidente en orthèse à l'hôpital Holland Bloorview Kids Rehabilitation Hospital à Toronto. Et ce que j'aime le plus dans mon emploi, c'est le fait que j'applique mes connaissances en design, mais à des individus spécifiques à tous les jours.
Hi, my name is Jillian. I graduated from Biomedical Mechanical Engineering in 2011. The thing I liked most about the program is its small size. I really got to know my fellow students and the professors. I now work at the Ottawa Hospital as a mechanical technologist. The thing I really like about my job is I get to see innovation in the wheelchair industry, which I find really interesting. We do evaluations of wheelchairs and walkers of new products when companies want to get their wheelchairs on the government funding list and we provide recommendations to Health Canada. Good luck with your school year.
Hi, I'm Nemanja Babic. I graduated from the MGB program in 2017. My piece of advice to succeed in biomed studies is to enjoy the learning process, because as a future engineer, you'll need to continuously keep learning new things, even after university. Currently, I'm a robotics application engineer. The thing that I enjoy the most at my job is the opportunity to travel around the world. It consists of training and consulting high-end companies in the field of industrial robotics. I wish you all the best.
Hello everyone, my name is Zoya and I'm going into my 4th year of electrical engineering at the University of Ottawa. Today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about the facilities at the Faculty of Engineering. So first off, let's start with the Undergraduate Studies Office. The Undergraduate Studies Office offers many services, starting with academic advice on course sequences and how to adjust your course sequence if you need to, advice on registering for your courses and enrolling or dropping or swapping, advice on academic rules, changing your program if you feel like you need to, and they offer many forums for things like changing your program and course sequences and so on. The workshop is the Engineering and Computer Science Mentoring Center. They offer things like individual consultations with mentors, group discussions with mentors, study groups for specific courses, and workshops. Mentors will communicate with you on a weekly basis, and they know where most student services are, so they can help you find any resources you need on campus. We also have this upcoming project where you will be getting a personalized mentor. The Engineering Peer Connect program is an opportunity for you to meet students, make new friends, network, and socialize with other engineering and computer science students. It is a volunteer-based program, and students need to register to participate. The faculty will be pairing students from all levels with other students based on their interests. When you're paired with a student, you can interact with them however you choose to, whether it's in person or through social media or many other platforms like MS Teams or email and Yammer and whatever works best for you. Watch out for an email from us. The registration will be the end of August 2020, so it will be available soon. We have many student clubs and associations at the faculty. I was a part of one myself called WISE, as you can see. It's the Women in Science and Engineering. All students are welcome to join any club or association that they find interesting, whether it's building a highly fuel-efficient or off-road vehicle to designing a human hamster wheel for a museum display. There are many options to choose from. So if you are interested in working in a team or getting creative, then join one of our clubs and you can work on these exciting projects. SEED, or the Center for Entrepreneurship and Engineering Design, offers student competitions all year round, design courses so you can work with real-life clients, design spaces and facilities that I'll talk about soon, and an entrepreneurial ecosystem so that you can develop your business skills and learn more. The buildings you see here offer different facilities and different spaces for students to use throughout the semester, starting off with the STEM building, which houses most of the seed facilities, SITE, which is the engineering building for electrical engineers, computer engineers, and computer science students, CDY, the Colonel By building, which is for civil engineering students, mechanical students, biomedical mechanical students, and so on, and the ARC building, which is the advanced research complex where most master's and PhD students do their research. Here we have some of the facilities that you'll find in the STEM building that you saw earlier. The Brunsfield Center is a student-led machine shop where staff and students can work with traditional manufacturing equipments like mills, lathes, bandsaws, drill presses, even welding and fabrication tools once you receive your proper training. It's open to all students who complete their training, which is offered by the Manufacturing Training Center. The Makerspace and the Maker Lab are both also in the STEM complex. Makerspace is a place that allows everyone to collaborate and build their own projects. It's open to students, community members, and it's open to anyone who would like to invent, make, build, play, whatever they can think of. The space is organized by students from different fields of studies at the faculty. The Maker Lab offers a course-based laboratory setting focused on rapid prototyping technologies. The university courses can include lab sessions at the Maker Lab to give students a structured experience learning about many of the technologies available at the Makerspace. The Simon Design Commons is a reconfigurable space that offers whiteboards, markers, couches, computers. It is a space that is open for everyone to meet in, and the space that fosters creativity, design, and all different kinds of ideas. The John McIntyre Team Space is a space that offers tools for students in teams so they can work on their projects that you will see next. There are many competitive teams at the faculty, and most of these teams compete in diverse international competitions. There are teams that work on rockets, cars, electric cars, urban cars, concrete canoes for civil engineering, formula for all programs, bionics for biomedical mechanical engineers, and so many different aerospace engineering teams as well. Undergraduate students can also pursue opportunities in research by applying to the Europe Scholarship. This scholarship is worth $1,000. It helps you gain 50 hours of work in research between October and March, and you'll be supervised by a faculty member. The application for the scholarship is open as of August 1st, 2020. The co-op program just might be the solution you're looking for if you want to work and study, which gives you more experience after you graduate. There's a 96% placement rate for most engineering students at the faculty, especially considering the Tech Hub in Canada. The salaries range between $18 and $22, and University of Ottawa is the number 5 largest university co-op program in Canada. The co-op program works like this. Study terms and paid work terms alternate. You end up with a degree and a year or more of practical work experience. During this time of increasing globalization and automation, most employers are seeking to recruit students who have the employment skills and values of a global citizen. In response to this growing interest, the University of Ottawa decided to launch UO Global Recognition. This is a program that aims to guide the development of your employment skills that are valued around the world, such as cross-cultural communication, innovation, adaptability, and so much more. Since these are changing times, these are some of the departments that can help you with your virtual transition into the university, such as the Career Development Center, the Student Academic Success Service, or SAS, and Student Life. Thank you for being here. You can also join us for a live Q&A session on September 8th. We'll be sending you more information via email, so stay tuned.